We are offering a premium lot of 25 carats of rough Swat emeralds, ranging from 1 carat up to 2.70 carats per piece. These emeralds are sourced directly from the renowned Swat Valley region, known for its exceptional quality and vivid green hues. The stones possess excellent clarity and natural crystal formations, making them ideal for cutting into very good shapes such as oval, pear, emerald cut, or cushion. Each piece has been carefully selected to ensure maximum yield and brilliance after faceting. The lot is well suited for professional gem cutters and jewelry manufacturers looking to create high-value, finished gemstones with minimal inclusions and rich saturation. These emeralds offer strong potential for producing high-quality gemstones suitable for fine jewelry. Their vibrant color and excellent structure make them a rare find in today's market, a perfect opportunity for investment or custom jewelry production. Detailed images and further specifications are available upon request.